Hey, Gavin from ThriveWP.com. Today we're going to be looking at how to add a favicon to your website. So as you can see, it's these little icons that show up in your browser tabs, in bookmarks and things like that. So all these different little icons that you see in the tabs we've got open in our bookmarks and so on, they are favicons or favicons, some people call them. Okay, so we're going to have a look at those today. All right, and how we can add those in WordPress. It's pretty simple. So what you do start with is you need to create your own image. We'd say probably about 128 pixels by 128. So you'd create that image. For us, we use our logo icon. Okay, so once you've created that image, you save it as a PNG image file. So once you've got your image file in the right dimension, saved as a PNG, the next thing you need to do is turn that image file into an icon file. So what you then do is you basically search Google for favicon generator. You get lots of different options, and most of them are really good, but we tend to use dynamic derive a lot of the time just because it's quick and simple and easy, really. All right, so as you can see, it just gives you an example of what a favicon looks like in the browser. Okay, so what you need to do is find your file. All right, and we're just going to find, we'll find our icon for now, and that one will do. This one is actually 1024 pixels by 1024. That's probably a bit too big, really, but it doesn't matter. So once you've selected your file, you click Create Icon. Okay. Once it's processed that, it'll then show you a preview of your icon and what it looks like. Okay, and then you can download that icon. So you can download that wherever you like. We'll just pop it on our desktop for now and keep it called Favicon. All right, so now if we then take a quick look at our desktop, okay, you can see that this is our icon here, and it's an ICO file, icon file. Okay, so that is now our icon that we need to use to display up in our in our website to show in various different places. Now there's a few ways you can do this. With WordPress, a lot of themes now tend to support the icon option. If it does, you'll find it under Appearance. So you can go to Appearance Customize in your admin dashboard. Okay, once that loads, you then need to kind of have a look through and find where, usually it's where you'd add the logo. So we've got logo. So you've got an option to add your logo here. This is just a random testing site that we use. But if you scroll down, sometimes you will see the option to add an icon as well, as it does here. So here, okay, it does actually ask for an image rather than the icon file. Okay, so we can choose any image we like. We'll choose that for now, and we'll select that. It'll ask us to crop it, so that's what it will kind of look like. Gives you a bit of a preview. I'm just going to skip cropping for now. See, now you can see that we have our icon set through the theme just by simply selecting an image. So that's the easiest way. If you have that option and your theme supports that, I would say use that because it's the easiest way possible. Okay, but what we're going to do is we're going to remove that. We're going to exit the customizer. Okay, and we're going to talk about another option that you can do. So if you don't have that option in your theme, what you can do is you can download a plugin, okay, that will help you with this. So you can go to your plugins, add new, and you're going to search for all-in-one favicon. Okay, and this is the one you're looking for. So you install that. And activate that. Okay, you can go straight to the settings from here. and it gives you a few different options to upload your icon. So you can upload the actual ICO file, the icon file. You can upload a GIF or a PNG file, and you can also upload an Apple Touch icon as well to display on Apple devices. So we've kind of used the PNG already, so we're just going to use the icon file that we produced. Okay, so we select that, click open, and then we just save our changes. Okay, and so now you have your favicon set on your site. Sometimes it might not appear straight away, and that's just purely kind of a browser caching thing. Sometimes it takes a little while to take effect, and you might not notice for a short while that happening. So this is the front end settings. You can also have a back end setting as well. So while you're in the admin, it would be displayed as well. So we can set that in the admin, and we'll save changes there. Okay, and now we're seeing that in the admin section as well. Okay. Okay, and then you've just got a couple of extra, options here within the plugin itself. So that's two options. Pretty easy, pretty quick to achieve. Now, I would tend to not go with the plugin option because you're installing a plugin with extra code and what have you just to achieve a very small task, and it really doesn't need a whole plugin for that. So for me personally, I would either use the option that's in the built into a theme already if it is. If it's not, then I would upload the icon via FTP or via cPanel file manager or something. So if you're familiar with either of those options, essentially what you do is you basically put your icon in the root folder of your site. So where your site files are, okay, is where you would basically put your icon file. So we're just going to find. So basically, all you'd do then is we found the root of our website, okay, and we would literally just then find our icon file and drag it over. So there it is. We're just going to pop it over into the root section of our website. So there it is now. Okay, it's uploaded, and that's all we need to do. And then you just wait for it to take effect, across your site. So that's the option we tend to use most of the time, is just upload it via FTP. It's just one simple small icon image, and that's it. No extra plugins, no extra anything. Just adding it straight through FTP, or like I say, through cPanel file manager. That's the kind of least bulky way of doing it, so you don't need an extra plugin or anything like that. But there we go. So that's how you add a favicon to your website. So it adds that kind of bit of branding, when people are on your website and they've bookmarked your site or it's in the tab. So there we go. Thanks very much. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful. Of course, please thumbs up and subscribe if you're liking the videos. If you have any ideas for any other videos, or you want us to kind of do a bit of a tutorial on something around WordPress, please leave a comment and we will have a look and see what we can do. We're more than happy to kind of create videos based on what your requests are. So thanks very much. See you in the next one.